Stampede, chaos, commotion has become the big political blame game right now. Mahakumbh has become the Mrityu Kumbh. Lack of planning at Mahakumbh. Stampede death toll is not being revealed to us. This is turned into a tourist real spectacle rather than make it into a religious gathering is what opposition leaders have been saying. VVIP culture has been blamed at the Mahakumbh, to which Prime Minister Modi has said this is such a massive gathering and this has united the country, especially people and followers of the Sanatan Dharma. And look how they are consistently only targeting, dividing society, dividing unity, attacking progressive faith. They have a slave mentality. He refers to these netas likely hitting without taking names. He says those with slave mentality are attacking Hinduism even. So that's a big statement, remember, and you can see on the stage, I can see Chief Minister Mohan Yadav, I can see other spiritual gurus as well, the Shankaracharya senior seers. And most of them, of course, have paid their visit to the Kumbh this time. But this Kumbh, remember, while has been a center of attraction because of the massive crowds, the devotees who are still lining up, who still intend to go despite the numbers only escalating. But the stampede and the deaths clearly have become the big showdown. That's what the opposition have been charging to say. Only highlights and headlines have been made, but no arrangements were made by the government. They're charging both the BJP government in state and the centre over it. Now, this is what Prime Minister Modi has been saying about it, saying some netas are mocking the religion and hits back at the Mrityu Kumbh claim, saying Hindu haters are trying to malign the Mahakumbh. Those with slave mentality are attacking progressive faith and our culture. They want to divide the society. Remember, just a few days now to go for the Kumbh to conclude. The numbers have been unprecedented clearly this time. Even right now, you know that there is complete interest, excitement, enthusiasm. By the end of February, by 26th, 27th February, we'll have the Kumbh Mela that will conclude. And the numbers refuse to slow down. Remember, it's been over a month already that the Kumbh started. And from across the country, even the world, people have gathered. And remember, of course, in a massive gathering like this, arrangements that have been made, there have been, while most of it has been smooth, we have had instances of chaos, commotion, and that tragic, horrific stampede as well, where people have lost their life. And that has become a political showdown. Just look at the visuals of the Prayagraj on your screen. This is a daily visual, not just on the day of the main snan. But that reflects the number of people from across the world, I wouldn't even say across India, who are congregating at the Kumbh. Right now, Prime Minister Modi is in Chhatarpur. He's offering prayers at the temple. And he's led the foundation stone for a 200 crore rupees cancer hospital. And that's what he said. He said Mahakumbh is not just about the religious dip. Look at the number of people who have come from their expert fields to treat people for free at the Kumbh. They are helping people, whether it's cataract or other eye issues. They are offering treatment for free. They have helped many people. There are all sorts of social workers and Swayam Sevaks who are on the ground. That has brought, in many ways, all Hindus together at the Mahakumbh. And all some people can do is attack our faith and culture.
आजकल हम देखते हैं कि नेताओं का एक वर्ग ऐसा है जो धर्म का मखौल उड़ाता है, उपहास उड़ाता है, लोगों को तोड़ने में जुटा है। और बहुत बार विदेशी ताकतें भी इन लोगों का साथ देकर देश और धर्म को कमजोर करने की कोशिश करती दिखती है। हिंदू आस्था से नफरत करने वाले ये लोग सदियों से किसी न किसी भेष में रहते रहे हैं। गुलामी की मानसिकता से घिरे हुए लोग हमारे मत, मान्यताओं और मंदिरों पर हमारे संत संस्कृति और सिद्धांतों पर हमला करते रहते हैं। ये लोग हमारे पर्व, परंपराओं और प्रथाओं को गाली देते हैं। जो धर्म, जो संस्कृति स्वभाव से ही प्रगतिशील है, उस पर ये कीचड़ उछालने की हिम्मत दिखाते हैं। हमारे समाज को बांटना, उसकी एकता को तोड़ना ही इनका एजेंडा है। इस माहौल में मेरे छोटे भाई धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री जी काफी समय से देश में एकता के मंत्र को लेकर लोगों को जागरूक करते रह रहे हैं। इस कैंसर संस्थान के निर्माण की ठानी है। यानी अब यहां बागेश्वर धाम में भजन, भोजन और निरोगी जीवन तीनों का आशीर्वाद मिलेगा।